Asus ZenFone Max Plus M1. Asus ZenFone Max Plus M1 is a smartphone designed to go the distance, to accompany you on all of life's adventures, and to bring you the bigger picture. With its 5.7-inch full-view display, high-capacity 4130 mAh battery with advanced power management and 16MP dual cameras, ZenFone Max Plus keeps up with your active lifestyle and is always at the ready to capture every extraordinary moment. Full-view display. With the full-view 5.7-inch Full HD, 2160 by 1080 resolution with its outstanding 80% screen-to-body ratio and 2.5D front glass design, allows you to dive in the immersive visual experience. ZenFone Max Plus makes photos, videos, and all your other content like you never experienced before. Same size, more screen. By using a full-view display and an ultra-slim bezel, we've made the 5.7-inch ZenFone Max Plus as small as most standard 5.2-inch phones. It's the ultimate ergonomic design that not only lets you see more, but is much less bulky and more comfortable to hold. Premium metal body design. ZenFone Max Plus is built in premium metal body design in every detail with the fingerprint cleverly located at the back for more intuitive access, and it's yours to desire in 3 gorgeous colors: deep sea black, sunlight gold, azure silver. See a bigger world. ZenFone Max Plus features an advanced dual-camera system designed to take your mobile photography to new heights. Its 16MP main camera is equipped with the wide, f2.0 aperture lens to capture clearer photos. Its 120 degrees wide-angle camera lets you fit more scenery and people in the frame for dramatic landscape shots, better group photos, and a more convenient photography experience in confined indoor spaces. Fit more scenery and friends in the shot. The 120 degrees wide-angle camera on ZenFone Max Plus has a 200% larger field of view than standard smartphone cameras, so you can fit more scenery and people in the frame for dramatic photos and videos that capture a true sense of place. When taking photos indoors, the wide-angle view makes it much easier to get the shot you want, especially in confined spaces where it may not be possible to take a few steps back to fit everyone and everything into the photo. The unique perspective of the wide-angle lens can also be used to stylistic effect, allowing you to exaggerate the sense of space in any setting to capture more dramatic scenes in stunning, expansive landscapes. Capture your world in detail. ZenFone Max Plus comes with a 16MP pixel master rear camera to capture beautiful, high-resolution photos with zero shutter lag. A 16MP front camera takes gorgeous, sharp selfies and lets you enjoy video chatting in crystal clarity. Capture the perfect selfie. ZenFone Max Plus combines an extraordinary 16MP front camera with f2.0 aperture and live beautification features to capture stunning selfies with ease. Beautification mode instantly retouches your selfies, removing blemishes, balancing facial features, and more to create a flawless look. More beautiful, more fun, more you. The fun and intuitive beauty mode lets you apply a variety of enhancement effects to your selfies to make them even more glamorous. With 10 levels of beautification to choose from, you can smooth wrinkles, remove blemishes, adjust skin tone, and enhance your features instantly. Whether you are taking photos, capturing a video, or live streaming, ZenFone Max Plus lets you create your perfect look for the camera. A smarter smartphone battery. ZenFone Max Plus features a suite of intelligent power management technologies that work in concert to optimize battery life, ensure safety and long-term performance, provide reverse charging capability, and more. By turning on the double battery lifespan feature, it means your device can fully charge to 100% and discharge to 0% up to 500 times in a 25 degrees Celsius environment, and the loss of battery capacity will be reduced by half. This feature double battery lifespan effectiveness may vary depending on your usage. High capacity, 4130 mAh battery. Inside the sleek exterior of ZenFone Max Plus lies massive energy, a 4130 mAh battery custom crafted to pack maximum performance into minimum space. With so much power at your disposal, you can do more online, stream longer videos, and talk as much as you want without worry of getting through the day. Standby time measured by current meter with typical battery capacity. Results may vary depending on different test conditions. Power that lasts. ZenFone Max Plus offers fast charging 10 watts, 5 volts/2A, for its high-capacity 4130 mAh battery. It automatically recognizes if the bundled adapter is attached and executes quick charging that can fully charge the ZenFone Max Plus in 3 hours or provide 3 hours of talk time with a mere 15-minute charge, all while protecting the battery from being overcharged. For those times when you need even longer battery life, Super Saving Mode has you covered. When enabled, ZenFone Max Plus provides up to 67 hours of standby time on just a 10% charge. 12 leading safety technologies. Asus Power Master is a suite of intelligent power management technologies that work in concert to optimize battery life, ensure safety and long-term performance, provide reverse charging capability, and more. 12 safety checkpoints, including temperature monitoring and overvoltage protection, combined with automatic maintenance settings, keep ZenFone Max Plus's battery running optimally to provide a 2x average lifespan compared to other smartphones. Dual SIM with individual micro SD card slot. ZenFone Max Plus comes with 2 SIM card slots supporting speeds up to 150 Mbps and an additional micro SD slot to expand storage by up to 256 GB. Its convenient triple-slot tray lets you install both SIMs in a micro SD card in one easy step. A smarter and smoother UI. The latest version of the beautiful Asus ZenUI user interface is designed to provide a more intuitive experience to help you do stuff faster, improve your productivity, and simply let you have more fun using your phone. It also now includes the exciting new Face Unlock feature that makes your ZenFone Max Plus even more secure and easy to use. It will only unlock your phone when you are looking directly into the screen, and it can also hide notifications until you face unlock it. Using your face to unlock your phone is especially convenient in situations when you cannot use your hands, such as when wearing gloves or if they are wet.